My big dog, man.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, the real one's supposed to be the real one. Come out.
Oh, yeah.
The real recognize the real, man. Come out a mile away, say. Get a video on me.
Oh, yeah.
They can't stop this shit.
They ain't fucking with us, man.
Beat me, you can't copy this shit. I don't care how much money you got, you can't buy
I like
this shit.
keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, man. Y'all share.
Bitch, I'm about to be rich, and I ain't trying to do no kicking with fake partners and shit. They go to acting like they cool, then they act like a bitch. Niggas praying for the rain, they be hoping you miss. They don't know I go hard, I be built for this shit. Everything gon' hit, that's on me and my chicks. They control the track, control what the future be. These niggas mad cause they some motherfucking used to be. I go back in these streets, who the fuck leave and come back and start?
What? Snap it on? Got them back to back, man. Hey, once it ain't your shit, it ain't gonna never work right?
Go.
You got it right for him. Turn on, because I ain't even know your ass right there. Damn.
Damn, I can't stick my hand in that hole, boy.
How you?
That hole so goddamn short.
You ain't 2 years older than me.
You'll see me get them 2 years.
You
just get there.
The 2 years make a difference. That's the old nigga saying. You just get there.
Look, like he's 10 years older than me or something. That goddamn fuck.
You get them 2 goddamn.
Take your ass to the gym. How about that?
I do.
Well, you ain't doing it right now. Goddamn, talking about you feeling old. You gotta get them stretch. You gotta keep that body on you, boy. That's what I'm doing up there, goddamn. I just try to fix every fucking good. Everybody on this side come on like straight forward. That's all they hear. They feel like you know the game. Daddy did it too.
How long you been knowing me?
Daddy did it too,
Yeah. Hey, I learned from you.
You learn from me. I don't take kids with me to go do stupid shit.
That mean I learned.
Well, why you not making my rims, man? I had thought Cat wasn't gonna make it. Why you not faking the rims, man?
That was JJ them. Well, not him, JJ.
Oh.
He thought I wasn't gonna make it with the rims. Damn, they feel so damn good.
I never ride.
Nigga, they going in your video.
Huh?
Nigga, they going in your video.
What the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck?
These boys back to back, man. Shit, boy, these goddamn gnats killing me. Got a super clean, all original. Y'all know what that is. No, we ain't pump faking now. Gotta clean these wheels. Get this right before old buddy come back. We're just trying to make a little video right quick, man. Show y'all some. So he all original too. Looks super clean in the inside. Got him back to back, man. Fuck, boy. Ro, go crank up, Ro. Say, man, y'all continue liking and subscribe, man, to my YouTube channel, man. Like I said, it'll only get better from here, man. Y'all see that thing back there, man. You know, I'm doing it for Mobile, Alabama, man. Like I said, I'm gonna keep finding the hottest cars down here. Keep getting y'all good content. So, like I say, man, y'all do me a favor, share, like, you know, subscribe, share it to somebody, you know.